guys, so today I'm going to do a tutorial on one of the posts that I did regarding the Shastars. So I'm going to show you how I did that Pacific Shastar style Dastar. And yeah, I'm going to do a tutorial on that, so stay tuned. Right, so I've currently got a Dastar on, so I'm going to have to take this one off because the one I used so the one I'm going to do a tutorial on is actually a triangle with the Shastar, so let's get into it. Right, so I'm going to cheat a bit. If you want to know how I did the triangle Dastar, follow my triangle Dastar tutorial. It's also probably in the playlist, tutorial playlist, and I'll link it down below. So I'm going to cheat because like I've done my bunga and I've done my gearski, so I don't need to do all of that. So I can just continue from the first two, the first triangle that I've done. So I'm going to continue. I've already done a tutorial, so if you don't know how to do this Dastar, you can just go follow that. But basically, essentially, after the first two triangles that you do, you're going to start putting the Shastars in one by one. So I'm just going to cover the back of my Dastar right now, just like that. Right, so from now I'm going to start using my Shastar. So I'm just going to hold this and like pull this and put it under my arm. So first step I'm going to use is, right, so take the triangle, I'm just going to spread it out a little bit, place it, take the shorter side and wrap it around a few times. So you want to secure this triangle in place, and then what I'm going to do is take this one and just overlap it so it doesn't come loose, and take this the other way. Just keep your lid tight, and yeah, I'm just going to keep going for now until I have a little bit left. So until I know I have a bit left for the last two rounds, I'm going to keep going. So I think I have enough, just enough. So one, yeah, I think I should just about have enough. So I'm just going to take that back round. So I'm going to continue with my lurs and take it above and hide all of what I've just done. So just like that, there we go. So that's all hidden. I can still mess around with this if I need to. Yeah, so I've got that so far. So now with the remaining, I'm gonna finish this. Well, I'm gonna do one more lur because I know I can do one more, and then I'm gonna have one more to finish off with. So what I'm going to do is just take this and just create two lines, just like that, and two with a gap that I want. And I have a little bit left over, so I could have actually just left that before, but I'm just going to take this one above those and just touch. Oops, that can happen, so make sure you got it secure in the first place. Okay, so I'm going to take this above, and you want to tuck that in like that, just make sure it doesn't come out, and then you're going to cover it with the last lur that you have, just like that. I'm just going to tuck in your last note to the side. So just make sure they are even. So just tidy up your Dastar that you have done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to So I've got the gunner, which I'm going to place on top like that. You just push in your Dastar if you need to. In my case I do. Push it in anywhere to get it on. There we go. So what I'm also going to do is make sure all your light is tucked in, even it out. Then I'm going to get the Nagnia. So this is what they look like. I don't know how focused it is, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on the side. So I'm going to push them in. Another way was, if when I was doing the lines beforehand, I could have just placed them, but I didn't. But you can do. It's totally up to you. It's probably easier in some sense, but now I'm just going to have to find the lead and just push it in. There we go. There we go. So we've got one in, just like that. Got the second one, so roughly see where I need to put it. There we go. So this is my tutorial basically on how to do this Dastar style with the Shastars. It is fairly easy, but I guess for beginners it would be a little bit difficult. And I'm just seeing if my Nagini is in the right place. Yeah, I mean, it takes practice for sure. Obviously just take your time whilst doing it. But yeah, this is so far one of my favourite Dastar styles I've done. But to be honest, I haven't really practiced that much. And let me know if you want more videos with this Dastar, like Shastar Dastar styles, if you want me to give out more ideas, and I can do that. But yeah, I mean, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and for more tutorials, tutorial link, I'll be sending other types of videos like vlogs. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, thatexpo. I'm doing a couple of projects on there, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to join the YouTube family. And yeah, let's share some love. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. But yeah, stay fearless and keep going. Bye!